Welcome, Form 4, AdMaths, past years, SBP. Topic, function. Given that the function kx, 3x over x minus 2, where x is not equal to m. Part A, find the value of m. Now, if you remember my previous videos, a function fx in terms of fraction hx gx, the denominator gx cannot be 0. So for this question, part A, where they are asking m, we always start from what they ask. They are asking m. I go to the information regarding m. It was given x not equal to m. They are asking m, go to information regarding m. And that m is connected to x. Therefore, I go to the function kx, which is 3x over x minus 2. And this function is in terms of fraction. And therefore, the denominator of x minus 2 cannot be 0. Denominator cannot be 0. And then I transfer the negative 2 to the right hand side, becomes positive 2. Therefore, x cannot be 2. Now you compare x cannot be 2 with x cannot be m. Okay, we are comparing x cannot be 2 with the given x cannot be m. Therefore, that m must be 2. Our answer, m is 2. Second part, they are asking find the k inverse 2. Part B, they are asking find k inverse 2. Now here, there are two methods. First, you can find the k inverse function, and then the x you substitute with 2 in the k inverse. This is a long method because you have to find the inverse. Another method, based on my previous videos, if fa equals to b, where a is the object, b is the image. If I exchange object and image, the function will become inverse. So therefore, fa equals to b becomes f inverse ba. So I've taken the image, put inside object, the object becomes image. Or another one, if I have f inverse a equals to b, I exchange the object and image, the inverse would become function. So basically, function will become inverse or inverse will become function when you exchange the object and image. I repeat, function become inverse or inverse become function when you exchange the object and image. Exchange object and image. So here, the question is asking, find k inverse 2, which I make it equals to x. I'm using x, you can use any other alphabet. So now, I'm going to take the 2, make as image, and the x image I make as object. Okay, so I'm exchanging the object and image. So now it becomes, remember, when I exchange object and image, the x goes inside, the 2 goes outside. The k inverse becomes k, okay, which I've already explained here. K f inverse becomes f when you exchange object and image. So the 2 object, x image I exchange, k inverse become k. And since this is k function, I use the k function. 3x over x minus 2 equals 2. And then the x minus 2, I transfer the other side. Make sure we put the brackets for the x minus 2. Left hand side is still 3x. I'm going to expand the right hand side. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. So right hand side have 2x minus 4. Left hand side, just copy back. I transfer the 2x to the left. It becomes negative 2x. That's 3x minus 2x equals to negative 4, which is from the right hand side. And of course, 3x minus 2x is x equals to negative 4. That's it. Please don't forget about this. Function becomes inverse. Inverse becomes function when you exchange the object and image. Tukar tempat, change place. Thank you. I see you on the